So chapter 3 data handling part 2. So in part 1 you have studied arithmetic mean and the organization of data. What is arithmetic mean? Or mean or average. What is a mean? Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Sum of all observations. This is observations. Clear? Here how many observations there? 1, 2, 3, 4 observations. So whose sum? Divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 4. That is mean. Very simple. Clear? See more examples. That is your marks also. Okay. You have how many subject? 5 subject. What is your average means? All the 5 subject marks you have to add. Divided by 5 means you will get average. Clear? So that is mean. That is called mean. Now we will see some more problems. You see exercise 5th problem. Following table shows the points of each player is scored in 4 games. 4 games. Game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4. Player A, okay, scored 14, 16, 10, 10. And player B, 0, 8, 6, 4. And player C, 8, 11, okay, did not play. And 13. So now answer the following. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. That means A's average you have to find out. That means mean you have to find out. So sum of all the observation divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 games. That is divided by 4. Clear? Okay. Therefore, average or mean of player A is equal to, write first formula, sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Write the formula first. Okay. Now mean of player A. You have to find the mean of player A. Clear? So all the score you add, that is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 by 4. This one how much? 30, 40, 50, 50 by 4. So 50 by 4, easily we can divide that. Okay. How many time will go? 1 time will go. What is the remainder? 10, 2 time will go. Point remainder 2. Okay, so 20 means 4 table, 5 time, 12.5. So mean score of player A, 12.5. Okay, that is central value. Almost what central value. 10 and 16. 12.5 is central value. Mean means central value. Okay, that is what measure of central tendency. Clear? Previous part also you have studied. Clear? You have to remember, recall all this. Clear? What is measure of central tendency? Mean is measure of central tendency. Clear? In one more question they may ask. Okay. For to write the answer, A's average number of points scored per game is 12.5. That is the mean. Okay. You see the second problem. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? You see, player C, game 1 played, game 2 played, game 3 not played, then game 4 played. So here what? How to find out average means here sum of these 3 number did not play means you have to ignore it. You have to ignore it. So only for 8, 11, 13. So we are considering 3 scores. 3 scores. That means you have to what? Divided by 3. You have to divide it by 3. That only asks you. Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? So you have to divide it by what? 3. Why? Because he did not play game 3. He did not play game 3. Okay, that's why what we're taking a average, how to what divide only 3. So you write the answer like this. To find the mean number of points per game for C, divide the total points by 3. Okay, because player C did not play game 3. Okay, the third one, B played in all the 4 games. So how would you find the mean? Same, mean means sum of the all observations divided by total number of observations. So player B 4 scores there. All the 4 scores you should add divided by 4. Of course, here 0 is scored. Clear? Still you have to divide it by 4 because he played game 1. That's why what you have to consider it is 0. Therefore, mean equal to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 by 4 that is equal to how much? 18 by 4. 18 by 4 is how many time will go 18? 4 times will go, right? Then remainder is 2, that is 20 means 5. 4.5 times will go, that is 4.5, that is average score of B player. Okay, so the fourth one is who is the best performer. So already we found the average of player A. Average of player A, how much you got? 12.5. Okay, then you know average score of player B, that is 4.5. Still, what we have to find out average score of player C. Okay, mean of player C find out. Therefore, mean of player C you have to find out. Then only what we can decide who is best performer, right? You have to find out mean of player B or player C. Mean of player C equal to add 8, 11, 13. 8, 11, 13 add means divided by how much? 3 only have to put. Okay, 3 only have to put. So how much here? 24, 32 by 3. 32 by 3. How many time will go? 1 time. Then will not go 10. Okay. 1 time. Then will not go 10. Then 20 means 6 time. Again 2 remainder. 6, 6 it will go. Okay. So approximately 10 point. After decimal 2 digit you take. That is 10.67. Approximately 10.67. So average of player C or mean of player C is 10.67. Okay, so what is the mean of player A? 12.5. B is 4.5. C is what? 10.67. Okay, therefore who is best performer? A is best performer. Clear? Therefore A is best performer. Okay, so like this easily we can solve the problems by using what arithmetic mean formula. Easily we can. You see the next problem, 7th problem. The enrollment of a school during 6 consecutive years as follows. Okay, continuously enrollment, continuous years what the enrollment given. Okay, consecutive year means continuous. Suppose 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 like that. Okay, 2000, how many students? Clear total number of students in a school. 2001, total number of students. Clear? Increased. Then again increased. Like that, it is increasing on. Clear? Total number of students every year increasing. You see. Clear? 6 consecutive years it is given. Then find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. From this period to this period, what is the mean average? Clear? So mean means sum of all observation. Okay, sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. How many there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. Okay, so therefore mean find out. Mean equal to add everything. Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations divided by 6. Now, clear? Okay. So in a rougher column you write one by one, because the total, you have to find out the total is very important. Clear? Okay. You have to write like this in rougher column. Write 6 only there. So suppose 10 asked means 5 you write. Add total 5. Then both total you add. It will be easy. Clear? Sometimes 10 also they will give. If you have big number means separately you write and add. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So you write the total. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 by 6. Now 6 table you are dividing. 6 table you are dividing is first to what? 12 you take. 12 will go how much time? 2 times. 12 will go 2 times. Then 3 you cannot divide. So 0 you put. 0. Okay, then 34 is there. 34 means how much time will go? 5 times. 5, 6 are 30. Remainder 4. 48. 48. How many times will go? 8 times. 8, 6 are 48. Correctly will go. 2058 is the mean. Okay. Therefore, mean enrollment of the school for this period is 2058. Mean enrollment is 2058 for this period. Okay. For particular period, the mean enrollment of the school is 2058. Okay. So you are getting almost central value. From here to here you are getting what? Almost central value. Here. So this is called mean. You see, eighth problem, the rainfall in millimeter is given. In a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Day, Monday to Sunday given. Rainfall in millimeters. See, Monday 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5, Sunday 1.0. In millimeter it is given. Okay, rainfall in millimeter during rainy season. Okay, they are recorded per week. So first problem, find the range of the rainfall in the above data. From this you have to find out range. What is range? Highest observation minus lowest observation. Here which one is highest observation? 20.5. That is on Friday. Friday is the highest observation. Lowest is 0. So the range is clear. 20.5. The range of the rainfall is range of the rainfall is 20.5 minus 0.0. Clear? That is 20.5 millimeter. Understand? Highest observation minus lowest observation. Clear? That is range. Next, second problem you see. How to find out the mean rainfall for the week. Okay. Therefore, mean rainfall equal to so what you have to do? Add all the data. How many data are there? 7 data. Clear? Add all. Clear? So 0.0. 0.0 means okay, you can leave it, but still you write for understanding purpose. You write okay. 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus again 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 all divided by 7. All divided by 7. That is equal to, you add only what? 0 you leave it. Okay. 0 add means same thing only. 0 leave it. Other thing you add. 12.2, 2.1, 20.5 separately. You write the numbers Okay, decimal numbers in the rougher column and find the total. Okay, that will be easy. See, first add this 10, 13. Clear. Carry 1, 2, 7, 9, 11. Carry 1 means 3, 4. 41.3. So 41.3 by 7. Now we have to divide this. How to divide this? How will you divide in 41? You take how many 7 there? 41. Straight away you can divide. Okay, 41. How many 7 there? 5. Right? Plus 5 7 35. What is the remainder? 6. Okay, 6. Next what? You have to take this digit, that is 3. So that what you have to do? Keep pointing. Keep pointing. So 63, how many times it will go? 9 sevens are 63. So 5.9 millimeter. Mean rainfall for the particular week is 5.9 millimeter. So from this, now third problem is on how many days was the rainfall less than mean rainfall? Okay, below 5.9, how many? Here 1 day, here 1 day, here 1 day, here, then here, here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 5 days water below 5.9 millimeter. Here, now to write. Therefore, the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall on 5 days. Total 5 days. Here, more than 5.9, only 2 days there. Okay, here and here. So all other days less than 5.9. Therefore, 5 days total. Here, mean is only the not measure of central tendency. Okay, for different requirement data, okay, we have to use other measure of central tendency. There, that is one of the measure of central tendency is mode. Another one is also there, that is median. Clear? Already I told mean, median, mode or measure of central tendency. Clear? Now what is mode? We will see definition. The mode of a set of observation, that is one group of observations, okay, is the observation that occurs most often. Clear? In that group, which data or occur most frequently, that is most often. Okay, most often. Clear? So the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Clear? Simply remember most occurring data. We will see the example. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. You see one group of numbers given, group of observations given. Clear? So what you have to do is first arrange the numbers in ascending order. That is better. Clear? So here how many 1 there? 3 1 there. First write 1 comma 1. Okay, these 3 written. Then 2, here 1 there, here 1 there, here 1. So 4 times there. That you write. 2 you write 4 times. Okay. Then 3 1 time there. Then 4 2 times there. Clear? Like this you write it in the ascending order data. Clear? Okay. Now how many data are count? How many data there count? 2 4 6 8 10. Here also you count 2 4 6 8 10. Yes, correctly written. In ascending order written this one. Okay. You see now only 1 is 3 times occurred. 2 is occurred 1 2 3 4 times occurred. Okay, 3 only 1 time. So 4 2 times occurred. So most frequently occurring data is 2. Therefore mode is 2. Okay, mode is 2. Mode is 2. That is 2 is most occurring data. Most occurring data. Okay, so 2 is most of the time repeating data. That's why what mode is 2. Here, most frequently occurring data. That is called mode. Now, suppose in the mode, okay, sometimes two data occurred same number of times. Two two data occurred same number of time means then what you have to write both the data are called mode. Okay. Suppose here what 1 is 3 times repeated, 2 is 4 times repeated. Okay. Again 1 is 4 times repeated means 1 and 2 are the mode. 1 and 2 are the mode of the data. Suppose here 1 is repeated 3 times. Suppose 1 is repeating 4 times means 1 is also what mode of the given data. Clear? You have to remember. For large number of data, how will you find out mode means by using tally mark. By using tally mark. In 6th class you studied how to prepare tally mark. Okay. In the exercise problem I will teach. Okay. Now we will see next measure of central tendency is called median. Okay, median is also one more measure of central tendency. So what is median? Median is nothing but middle observation of the data. When the data are arranged and in ascending or descending order. When the data arranged in ascending or descending order, then the middle observation is called median. Middle observation is called median of the group of data. Clear? Some group of data there means first what you have to do, you have to arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. Clear? Then you have to find out the middle observations. Middle observations. Suppose the number of data in odd number, that is 9 data you have means correctly will get a middle of the observation. Suppose the number of data you have even number means middle 2 data you will get. For that you have to what? Find out the average. Clear? For that you have to find out the average. That means both the data you should have divided by 2. Clear? We will see some examples. First example is find the median of the following data 35, 32, 35, 42, 38, 33, some group of data given. Clear? First what you have to do is you have to arrange these data in ascending order. Arrange the data. Arrange the given data in ascending order. That means first lowest one you write. What is the lowest one? 32. Next you write 32 written. Next you write 33. 33 written. Then 34. Then 35. 35 two times you have. Both the time you have to write. 35, 35. That is ascending order. Clear? Then next you have 34 written. Clear? Next you have 38. Then 42. Here you count and see 2, 4, 6, 7. Here also correctly written. Check 2, 4, 6, 7. Yes. So now what you have to do is you have to find out middle of the observation. That means first you take pencil and you cancel like this. First this side you cancel, then from the right you cancel. Okay, left one data cancel means right one data. Again, okay. Again cancel means correctly we get middle of the data. That is the technique. Clear? Therefore, this is the middle of the data is median. Okay, therefore median is 35. Median is 35. Clear? So here the number of data you have to see. Okay, number of data is how much? 7. 7 data there. 2, 4, 6, 7. That 7 is odd. That's why you are getting correctly middle of the observation. One observation you are getting. Suppose if the number of data even, suppose 8 means you will get 2 middle observations. Clear? Middle observation you will get 2 data. So both the data you should add divided by 2. Then you will get median. You will get median. Understand? So we will see one more example. Find the median of the following data. Okay. This is some group of data given. First what you have to do is you have to arrange in ascending order. Clear? Here you count the data. How many data there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 data. That means the number of observation is 10. Even number. Even number means middle of the observation. 2 data you will get. Okay. Now we will see. First arrange the data in arrange the given data in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. Therefore, first lowest one is that, right? Okay. Then 2, 1, 2 return. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. 6. Then 7, 7, 2 times you have. Then 8. Then 9. Okay. All return you see. You count 10. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 there. Here also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You have to, okay, check it. Clear? Now what you have to do is you, okay, cancel it, okay, from first until last. Again, like that you have to cancel on. Okay. This is the technique. You see, you are getting 2 middle observations. Okay. How many middle observations you are getting? 2. Therefore, median is, therefore, median is 5 plus 6 by 2. That is 11 by 2. That is 5.5. 5.5. So here the median is 5.5. Clear? So like this easily you can find out. Okay, median is very important. Find mean, median, mode. These repeated questions. Clear? Very important. All the method you have to remember. Clear? For mean means how to find out. Use formula. Clear? Then mode means most frequently occurring data. Clear? Then median means arrange right in ascending order. Clear? Then middle of the observation you have to find out. Okay. Understand? So all the 3 concept idea you have to remember. Now we will see the exercise problem. Okay. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Okay, 6, 15, 20, 120, 50, 100, 80, like the data given. Okay. Find the mean, mode and the median. Okay. Then after finding you have to check are they same. Clear? So first what mean we can find out. Mean is nothing but sum of all the observations. Okay. Add all the observations. Okay. So add all the observations. How many observations there are already given in 11? So 11 divided. Okay. You add means. So you add all the observations. Okay. In rougher column also you write 5 data. Then again 5 data. Then you add this 429. We are getting. Okay. Divided by 11. Divided by 11. How many time will go? 42 you take. 42. How many 11 there? 3 there are. Okay. 33. That means what is the remainder? 9. Clear? Therefore 99. 99 means 9 time will go. So 39 is the mean. 39 is mean. Clear? Next we have to find out mode. What is mode? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. That is better. Okay. Arrange the given data in ascending order. Ascending order you write. Okay, all data. Which is lowest one? 6. Okay, 6 is lowest. Then next data 8. Then next 10. Okay, 10. Another one also there. 10. Then next data 15. 1, 2, 3 times you have. 15 3 times you have, right? 15 next, which one is there? 15 next, 50 there, right? 50, 50, then 80, 50 return, then 80, then 100, 100 return, then 120. So all data covered. Okay. You have to, like this, you have to write the data in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to big. Clear? Small to big. Now you find out which data occurring most number of times. 15 is occurring most number of times. That is 3 times occurred. 10 is 2 times occurred. Therefore, mode is 15. Therefore, mode is 15. Okay. Now, what is the median? So, the same ascending order, you have to what? Take pencil and cut it like this. Okay. This is what trick. So, middle of the observation, that is also 15. Therefore, median is 15. Clear? Understand? But the question they asked one more, are they same? No, they are not same. No, they are not same. Sometime we will get what? Same, mean, median, mode, or same. Clear? Sometime we may get clear. So here you are getting not same. So like this problems I will give it homework. Okay, do the homework for better practice. Okay.